Hey guys, it's Crispy Slimes here, and today I'm going to show you how to make this slime without glue, and you'll be needing face mask, and it has to be, well, I don't think it has to be peel off. You're good as long as you have, well, there's some on it, but just ignore that. But it has to have this ingredient, PVA. So yeah, let's make this slime. I'm going to be trying it with and without shaving foam. First, I'm going to try it without shaving foam. And my activator is going to be borax and water. You could use like detergent and contact lens solution and baking soda, but it doesn't really matter as long as it's the activator for slime. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to pour my face mask into my bowl. So that's going to be enough slime. And then I'm not going to really stir it, like just a little bit, because I kind of want it to have a clear look to it. But if you had shaving foam and lotion and stuff, it's not going to really look clear after a couple of days. But I mean, you can if you want to. If you don't want it to look clear. I'm going to start out with that much activator, because, you know, if you do too much, it's going to turn hard. And if you don't add the right amount, if you add too less of what you need, then you're going to have to put lotion, which is going to make your slime cloudy. I'm not sure if it's done. I'm going to have to get on. Oh. I think a little bit more activator will do it, so I'm going to go ahead and add some more. That was probably way too much, but I can still add lotion, which is, of course, going to make it cloudy, so. It's still sticky, so I'm gonna, yeah, it's sticky still, so I'm gonna add some more. After I'm gonna make sure I scoop up borax this time. I think this might be it, so. Yeah, this is probably it. And after it dries a little bit, or it doesn't have so much water in it, you have a slime. And after a while, like a few days or something, it may turn into clear slime, or it might just already be clear slime. So yeah, that's a good thing about this. And I'm gonna try it with the shaving foam now, but I'm gonna put like a not too less face mask, because there's like I'm gonna dump the excess activator into the bowl of activator, and there's still a little bit in there, so I'm gonna try and squeeze a lot because I'm gonna make it fluffy. Okay, that is enough. And now I'm gonna shake up this shaving foam and whoa, that is a lot. I didn't know that much was gonna come out. I don't know if this is still gonna work or not, but I'm gonna just, like, this is so dirty. I don't know where to put it. Let's just set it down. Okay, I'm gonna add activator. I know I'm gonna need a lot for this one, so I'm gonna start off by adding 2 spoonfuls of it. It's already spilling on the ground. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's working yet, so I'm gonna just take it off of the mixing tool. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try adding some more face mask to it, so it helps it like not be just shaving foam. probably not going to work good, but I can't say that for sure yet. Sorry, I was playing with the other one, but I'm gonna add more activator. It's probably gonna need a bunch of it in. I think this might be it, but it's going to make a big mess on the floor. I'm going to go get some paper towels. I have to say that both of these slimes were a huge success, and I cleaned up the mess, and yeah. So I'm going to have to add some lotion, but this one is fine. It's clear, and I think after a few days it'll be super clear. So anyways, yeah. Thank you for watching my video on crispy slimes, and I will see you guys later. So thank you for watching, and I hope you have fun with your slime.